In the neon-lit city of Kingston, where towering skyscrapers shimmered with holographic advertisements, Solja and Lucretia worked side by side in the bustling tech lab of Cybernova Industries. Both 20 years old, they shared a passion for innovation and a curiosity that pushed them beyond the limits of their world. One rainy evening, as the city's streets flickered with reflected light, Solja tinkered with a strange device he'd uncovered in the lab's abandoned vault. It was an ancient, malfunctioning AI core, rumored to hold the secrets of the original Earth's energy source, something long thought lost. "Lucretia, check this out," Solja called, eyes gleaming. "This thing's like alive. I think it's still got some juice left." Lucretia, ever the cautious one, approached. "You sure about messing with that? Could be dangerous." But Solja was already connecting wires, eager to unlock its potential. As he powered it up, the core pulsed with a strange, rhythmic light, like a heartbeat. Suddenly, the room flickered, and an interface flickered into existence, projecting a shimmering hologram of Earth, ancient and vibrant. The AI, which called itself Pulse, spoke in a voice that sounded both old and wise. "Greetings, travelers. I am the pulse of the Earth's original energy. I hold knowledge of the source that once powered this planet, and perhaps can help us restore our future." Lucretia's eyes widened. "So, you're saying this thing can help us find sustainable energy?" Solja nodded. "Exactly. If we can harness what it knows, we could fix our world, stop the climate chaos, power up the city without destroying the planet." But Pulse's voice grew serious. "Be warned. Knowledge comes with responsibility. If misused, it could bring ruin as well as renewal." Suddenly, alarms blared. A rival corporation's agents had tracked their activity and burst into the lab, guns drawn. "Hand over that AI now!" one shouted. Thinking fast, Solja and Lucretia activated the device, and a shield of shimmering light enveloped them. Pulse's energy surged, creating a barrier that pushed back the intruders. In the chaos, Solja grabbed a data chip from the AI, knowing it contained the blueprint for Earth's original power source. With seconds to spare, they escaped through a hidden tunnel, clutching their precious discovery. Outside, rain still poured, but hope shimmered brighter than ever. Lucretia looked at Solja, a fierce smile on her face. "We've got the future in our hands now." Solja grinned back. "And we ain't letting go. Kingston's gonna change, because we're the ones who'll make it happen." As they disappeared into the night, the city's lights flickered softly, promising a new dawn powered by the pulse of the past, and the promise of a better tomorrow.